My people, no be small thing o. They say Harrison don come outside come tell the general public say all the whole kidnapping wey dey happen for Igbo land. He say that na Fulanis na dey do am, say him wey dey for the front dey fight the fight, he know people wey him dey catch. Come see o, Ijele say he no go gree, say Harrison dey talk lie. My people, let me show you another video as one Yoruba guy don come outside come talk say that since Sunday Igboho can create a security, what is the need of holding Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto prison? They say Israel don enter inside the matter of Biafra and Nigeria. Benjamin Netanyahu don vow say that the country must split. No be small thing dey happen o. A voice note wey leak o, they say na Tinubu na talk am. I go play am for una more na watch and tell us whether na Tinubu talk am abi that one na AI. Stay tuned as we play the videos one after the other before we come back and continue.
Sunday Igboho just created a security network called Ijele. I see in people with their old color, everybody all gone. So why is Sunday Igboho allowed to do all these things and you lock Nnamdi Kanu up in prison? Let Nnamdi Kanu to come outside to go and protect his people that he's fighting for. Since Sunday Igboho is the one now that want to come and protect Yoruba land, security agencies that we have, they are no longer useful. Soldier, army, police, everybody, they are not powerful enough to go after the bandit. It is Sunday Igboho that is powerful enough to go after the bandit. Now he go get gone. We have to fight bandits. Abi, release Nnamdi Kanu to let him go and protect his people. Because I will not understand till today why Sunday Igboho is walking free and Nnamdi Kanu is being locked up. No, this is sentiment. No, this one are real sentiments right in front of our eyes. This will go down from another generation to another generation. Say the Yoruba race, though, the Yoruba tribe, oh, they send Nnamdi Kanu go prison. They come bring their brother Sunday Igboho out to come and be doing the same thing. Something wey even Nnamdi Kanu no do now. Now Sunday Igboho don dey do. So Nigerian government is trying to tell us with the influence of Sunday Igboho that they are not capable of eradicating bandits. But Sunday Igboho is capable. Our soldiers, army, DSS, all those ones, they are meant for content creators. Abi? Well done.
Otutu Omanu, Afambo, Harrison, Wamnishu. So this video is going to be with Igbo language, alright? So if you don't understand it, please don't feel offended. Just find somebody that can interpret to you. And I'm not good in speaking Igbo language, like very, very well. So those people who I'm talking to will understand me better, alright? Especially people from the southeast region, Imo State particular, Imo State. Last week, I am in Imo State, you know, and in that process, with support from military, local vigilante, homeland security, I rescue 3 kidnapped people, victims here. So, India Abolofa from their community. This man Abolofa like almost 1 weekend on with them. Then this other man now from video yesterday online, this other man, Mr. Onyema, is a lecturer at Imo State University. So I want to get Atomka water something. Now this kidnapping and make it Apolonde buying a mayor. I can stand anywhere and say it. All when you all the strangers here in no fear in no bodani, they made this thing. Apolonde buying a main car. There are evidence that people only buying a mayor. Now this lecturer now he kidnap this man. He kidnap yeah. On with these 3 people, these 3 other people he kidnap yeah, we were together. Man on your abuse away poor because now somehow in the befa we ko ransom ego nda security. Yokwena water. So all Mr. Nyema, I have Mr. Nyema, popularly known as Ganja, or physics lecturer. On akuzi physics practical na Imo State University. So if you want to verify, ga jụọ ya sia ndị akpọrọ gị na ka ị na-agba moto gị on the ebeghị ọbụla ndị be anyị on the ugwu. So this is evidence that na ndị anogo obodo unu anogo na these communities now they terrorize. They have been terrorizing since last year. Later I can send them from Amako Hubi. Last year November, they invited me to assist them, at least with a little bit of support and the rest of them. But I got on because of Nsobungwe last year, November/December. I got on. Do you understand? So ndị a abụlọ ndị be anyị na-eme nke a kịta. Agaghị m asị na ndị be ha anaghị eme ihe ọjọọ, mana ndị a na-eme nke a kịta bụkwa strangers that we need to flush out immediately before they, you know, they multiply and spread to other communities. Ị gaa na amaka ubi jụọ ha ndị na-eme ha ndị ebe. Ị gaa na Amaku, the same thing. Our communities, the same thing. Or Ejimekuru, the same thing. So onye bịa sị gị na nke a bụ ndị be anyị na-eme ya, ọ na-atụ asị. They are sponsored to continue on a trend, on a narrative that na ndị be anyị bụ ndị na-eme all these things. No. Ka m kwukwe again, ndị be anyị aka ha onwe some cases aka fadị na ya, mana nke a na-eme kịta both na Nekedewu, Ejimekuru, Awa, Amaka ubi, Ireti, ndị na-eme ihe a, Amaku, ndị na-eme ihe a abụlọkwa ndị be anyị na-eme ya. Security, your forests are surrounded. Abụlọkwa ihe a na-akọ. This is something that is real, is happening.
Yes, I told you people, Benjamin of Israel have arrived. Benjamin of Israel have joined the clique, have joined the military, have joined the United States in Nigeria now. He said he will never be backed. He will never be backed. That he will make sure Nigeria split. He said he will make sure Nigeria split. Everybody go their way to avoid killing Christians. He said he must surely make sure Nigeria is split to make sure that the Christians, nobody kill them anymore. The terrorists have to be by, they like it or not. Benjamin have joined President Donald Trump to Nigeria. A big congratulations to Nigerians. A big congratulations. Please help me. I'm begging you people, guys, subscribe on my YouTube as Maris West USA 2. Maris West USA 2. Please, I'm begging you people, help me subscribe on my YouTube as Maris West USA 2. Share this video, like, comment, follow me without noticing, as I'll be bombarding you, giving you updates back and front. Thank you very much. Lord, pray for President Donald Trump always. Thank you very much.
So Israel has finally joined US in the fight against terrorists in Nigeria. After all the intelligence gathering they have carried out, Netanyahu has taken this matter up particularly and taken it to the White House to report it to Donald Trump for him to understand exactly how serious the matter is. Now listen to what Netanyahu told Trump inside the White House about Nigeria and the terrorists in Nigeria.
A peaceful border with Syria. Our interest is to have, and we openly say it, we want to make sure that the border area right next to our border is safe. We don't have terrorists, we don't have attacks, and we also want to secure our Druze friends. And by the way, I think not only the Druze, but other minorities, especially the Christians, should be protected as well in Syria and throughout the Middle East and in Nigeria. In your efforts, we back completely, because Christian communities are beleaguered around the world, and especially in the Middle East, but in parts of Africa too. And we stand for the same thing.
You heard what Netanyahu said. Now, there is something even bigger. And that thing is the fact that, as we speak now, Nigeria has officially joined the list of those countries now. Officially. Before, Nigeria used to be countries that are heavily terrorized, just normal. But now, we've become a country that is now seen as a country that harbors terrorist group. For example, the way you see Lebanon, you know, they harbor Hezbollah. You see Yemen, they harbor Houthis. You see Syria, Afghanistan, Al-Qaeda and ISIS and the rest of all those countries harboring one particular group or another. Now Nigeria is considered to be harboring ISIS, ISWAP, Boko Haram.
Have you heard of the President Tinubu leaked voice note that is trending today? Could this really be true? Can the president of a country say something like this? Let's watch it together and let's hear your comments in the comment section.
From the position, but it's not possible. And mind you, I'm winning this election. I don't care whatever is happening. Nigeria deserves it. Because when I was running as a president, they didn't wanted me. Now, all of a sudden, they want me to rescue them from insecurity. As of last week, I called Peter Obi to step. I'm not begging him again. I will be whatsoever in my mind, and I will make sure the insecurity affects people in Southeast more. Listen, I am going to borrow more and more and more money from World Bank. Try to understand me. I wouldn't like to stop this insecurity, because if I do, how will our party be able to raise funds to win elections? Think about it. Even the loans I'm taking is to fund them. Also, I have plan after I'm done with my position as a president.
My people, a lot of things going on. Stay tuned as we dey bring you one after the other as e take dey happen. You don read though.